my weight fluctuates so much. And it's the middle of the day. I can't believe it says 220. It just said 216 yesterday. Now, I normally check myself in the mornings. And I always do it 3 times. Look at that. Plus 4 pounds. What the hell? In a day? I just ran up the steps. Please excuse my heavy breathing. I'm going to do this first thing in the morning, but I actually forgot to grab my camera this morning. But that's cool because I'm not going to fight about a couple of pounds when in actuality, I want to be weighing way less than that, you know? So yeah, that's my starting weight. I look crazy right now. I think I'm gonna do these kind of in a vlog style because I'm not organized enough to really do it any other way. So these type of videos where I'm doing my updates and such, they're gonna be basically vlog style. You're gonna have me looking all kinds of crazy ways. If you already follow me on Instagram, if you already follow me on Snapchat, then you're used to this, girl, because I can't be a doll all the time. Well, I take that back. You can be a doll all the time, but you don't gotta look like a doll all the time. Anyways, 220 pounds. I use that as my starting weight. I really don't care because at the end of the day, I'm doing this so I feel better. For example, going up them steps just now, I did not feel good about that. Nobody should be out of breath after like 14 steps. That's crazy. So I don't really care about the number on the scale. I care about how I feel. I care obviously about my statistics, like my health. And I don't know, of course, I'm gonna look good in my clothes, feel good and confident. And that's why I'm doing keto, because I had VSG surgery and I really enjoyed all the weight loss I had from that. Now that I'm almost 6 years out, I just need to make sure I'm doing things to maintain my results because it's just a tool, okay? It's not magic. If you are not mindful, you're going to gain that weight back. So, the food I didn't like too much, so now I'm doing keto because the food is delicious and it's easier for me to stick to, whether I meal plan or prep or if I'm out and about on the go. It's so easy to stick to. So I figure, you know what? I'm gonna bring you dolls on the journey. I'm gonna share with you dolls what it is that I do so that when you see me drop my weight again, I'm gonna lose like 30, 40 pounds. Your girl is gonna be snatched and I can just tell you dolls to come to this channel. That way you can see what I did, okay? So this is me documenting my weight loss with keto and I'm excited if you dolls wanna join in. Of course, check with your doctors, but this is week 1. Now this is the scale that I use. This is by Nokia. This scale is a smart scale. I got it because I wanted a scale that actually tells me my body fat percentage. Of course, it's not 100% accurate, but it gives you a number to go off of because with keto, you do need to know your body fat percentage. So I like it because I'm a techie and it does link with an app on my phone, and I'll show you dolls that too. So as you can see, there is an app that basically keeps me up to date whenever I do a weigh-in. I like this because I'm a numbers person and I like to see things as they happen. So this particular app, where is it? It's HealthMate. And it keeps a running tab of all my metrics. It gives you a graph. It shows you everything. So I can see where I was weighing a lot less and when I was weighing a lot more. And it even lets you do it for the whole family. So I have a couple of profiles on here. It's pretty neat. So I'll put the details down below in the box if you want to check out this app. And this app, which is App Zero, this lets you fast. So yeah, my goal is 16 hours a day, which usually I'll eat around 12 or 1 and stop eating around, 8 hours later. So that's an app that I use. I also use this app, which I told you was the scale app. I use my FitnessPal, which I always use. I'm very familiar with this. I have all my meals saved. I have a 1200 calorie diet based off my macros, but you still had to calculate your own net carbs. I just recently am playing with this new app called Carb Manager, and I like it because it just straight up keeps track of your net carbs for you, as well as your fats and fibers and things like that. So I like this app so far. Today's my first day using it. This is what I had today. I know this is not keto friendly, but I don't want to get rid of it. That's kind of one of the first rules, throw away things that's not keto friendly. But I mean, I really just eat vegetables all day. So I know I'm not going to really eat all my net carbs. So I did spare 2 tablespoons for 10 grams, but this is not okay for keto, y'all. So please do not follow what I'm doing. But it works within my macros, and that's what I'm doing right now. But these are the apps that I use for my fitness. And I have a Peloton app because your girl got a Peloton, and I'm so hype about it. Stay tuned on my main channel. I'm going to do a review for that pretty soon. Okay, this is the scale that I am using. This particular scale I just got, I think, from Walmart. Basically, it measures in units for the imperial and also the regular metric system. I need to wipe it off. I think I got some sauce on here. But anyways, I like it because it's easy to use. I just put my bowl on here and then I hit 0, which makes the weight go back to 0, and then whenever I put my food in there, it's going to tell me the weight of my food. It's important to measure your food because, to be honest, every macro counts. This is the air fryer that I use. Absolutely love it because, first of all, I don't have to clean any dishes besides this one item. So far, I've used it for shrimp. So far, I used it for chicken, and that's really it. Oh, cauliflower. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to try to put my salmon in here tonight. My salmon is supposed to be really delicious in there. I don't know. I saw someone on Instagram do it. So this is an air fryer, really easy. You just turn the dial to the temperature and the time that you want it to cook, and that's it. And then this I picked up because, you know, besides Pinterest and Instagram, I wanted to have more ideas as far as food. I just think it's beautifully done. I don't really know too much about her. I know she's popping with keto. She's been doing it for years. But I saw a couple of people that I follow about keto, and they had this book. So that is something that I picked up. I picked up a book by Kendra. If you guys don't know who Kendra is, on Instagram, I believe her name is Keto Black Girl. But anyways, I first wanted to do keto like over a year ago, and that's what I read her book to get started, and that was like my beginning information of my research. So definitely check out her book as well. This is everything that I do for keto, the items that I use. If I forget anything, I'll just update it in my next week's video. I'm about to have my breakfast now, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you can check out my what I eat in a day videos, as well as any recipe videos that I have. And then of course, stay tuned for my workout. So I hope this video was helpful for you dolls. Again, I wanna thank you so much for rocking with your girl. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you don't already. Also be sure to share this video with a friend if you have anyone in mind who wants to start keto or wants to have an idea of how life after VSG goes. And then also follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. My name is @crissythedoll, and that's it. I want to thank you dolls so much for your support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.